Good morning, everybody. Hey, welcome to Monday, August 24th. I know I told you I wasn't going to be back for a couple of weeks, but hey, some unfortunate circumstances arise with Dave, so we're back this morning. I am on vacation. You are not seeing the actual beach that I'm at. The sun's too bright. You really can't. I was going to show you, but you can't get a really good picture of it. So, hey, this is just a backdrop that Zoom provides. So, hey, we'll be with you in just a second. It's just going to be me this morning and Scotty going through some stuff and just kind of laying out the week and what it's going to look like. Not much in the way of earnings today. Hey, just stay with us as we get ready to roll here in just a few minutes.
Over the Highlands, safe and sound. There's Capital Cities, 842 now and 81 degrees. In Sebring, hey, let's take a ride to Statler Financial Services. Phillip is on the line. Hey, happy Monday, Phillip. How you doing?
Hey, Dave. Scott. Dave. Hey, what is it?
That's okay. Of course I am. No problem. I've been called much worse, believe me.
Hey, I'm sitting here at the beach. Like I said last week, we're going to be on vacation, but hey, due to the circumstance, I told Dave I'd be here no matter what, and if he needed me, I'd plug in. So we are plugging in, and we'll be up every morning that we need to be here to help support Dave. So, hey, but the markets on Friday, Scotty, they closed close, if not at some record highs on Friday. So we had the Dow. Dow's the only one that's not close to its record high, because its record high is somewhere 29,560 something. So it's at 27,930. It was up about 0.7% on Friday. And NASDAQ, though, it did close pretty much at a new record. It hit a high yesterday, or Friday, of 11,326. It didn't close there. It closed at 11,311. So still up a little over 0.4%. The S&P 500 hit a new high on Friday, also at $3,399.96. Man, almost at 3,400. It closed at 3397.16, up about 1/3%. So the indexes are on a roaring stream right now of upward momentum, which is kind of interesting, seeing how we're so far into election season and trying to figure out how that's going to all play. I read some not so fun articles this weekend from a couple of economists, a survey of economists, about 20, about what they thought would happen after the election, who they predicted to get elected, number one, and what would happen afterwards. And it wasn't, those 20 economists didn't have much good to say about after the election. So we'll have to ride that out and see what happens. Not much in the way of earnings. We have a kind of two companies that are getting some boost today. One of those being AstraZeneca, the pharmaceutical company. The president talking over the weekend about fast tracking their vaccine for COVID-19. And if they do, he wants it basically out by the election. So it's going to be interesting to see how that plays out and if it really does happen.
Sure.
From that standpoint. The other one that got a big boost today, not from an earnings standpoint, was Delta. Delta Airlines is adding back 50 of their transatlantic airline, their travel. So that's that's some good news there on that front too. So both those stocks are getting a little bit of a bump this morning before we get going. So I thought, since there's not much else happening, I wanted to kind of recap this week in terms of what we may be, or not what we may be looking at, but what's the economic calendar look like this week? And so there are some things coming out this week. Tomorrow, the big thing is going to be new home sales. I read a headline over the weekend about how home sales are skyrocketing right now, but there's some concern that maybe this may be a sugar high. And so there's some caution there when it comes to the real estate market. The other one they had was, well, if my computer would work decent here.
I go
Yeah,
through
it's
that.
always one of those things. Yeah, it's one of those things. Like, okay, the Wednesday, not much on Wednesday. We got crude oil inventory. Thursday, though, Scotty, it's going to be a huge day. And I even told Dave that it's so much information that even if I'm on vacation, I might plug in on Thursday just because there's some good stuff coming out. The main thing coming out on Thursday is going to be the second reading of the GDP. And that's an important number, so that determines how much growth or decline we're seeing in our economy. And so that's a big number coming out on Thursday, as well as obviously initial unemployment claims come out on Thursday, as always. And then there's some pending home sale information that's going to come out on Thursday. And then we'll finish the week up on Friday with some more events coming up. We'll have some inflationary numbers, personal income numbers coming in, and the savings rate. So we do have a packed week, as this is the last full week of August, which is hard to believe too. And so a lot of this last minute information is coming out, and looking forward to what that tells us about our economy.
Okay. Hey, as always, even when you're on vacation, your finger is on the pulse of the finance world, Phillip.
Hey, we are. So here's where we're looking at right now. So let's look. We're all pretty much all green again this morning, Scotty. We've got the S&P 500 up almost 0.9% this morning, $3,421. Pretty astronomical numbers there. We got the Dow up 1%, and we got the NASDAQ up about 1.1%. So some good numbers there. If we look at the commodities, they're trending up also. We've got gold up about 0.6%, silver up 1.5%, and then we've got crude oil down from where it was on Friday when I talked to Dave, but up from where it closed. It's up 0.8 at $42.70 a barrel as we get ready to go for this morning. So we got some good numbers across the board as we get started this morning, Scotty.
All right, Phillip, very good. What else do you have for us?
Hey, that's really about it. I'm out of the office, but I'm here if breaking news happens across the indexes. With an iPhone, there's not much that can get by you when you're sitting here in the morning watching sunrises and reading the headlines. So it's a great place to be today. But hey, we're looking forward when we get back from this little renewal time back in the office in a couple of weeks after Labor Day. And so, hey, if you need me, give me a call, though, 863-382-0037. You can always call the office, get on my schedule for when I get back. Love to walk you through our financial x-ray and give you our thoughts as we head in to the final days towards the election.
All right, good stuff, Phillip. And I don't know if I'll talk to you tomorrow or not, but we'll take it one day at a time. And always, thank you so much for all you do, buddy.
All right, man, Scotty, you're right. One day at a time. If they need me, we'll be here tomorrow. If not, we'll enjoy the sunshine.
Okay, good deal. We'll see you, buddy.
All right, bye-bye.
Wait and see. When you can't predict the future.
Hey, everybody, like I said, not sure if I will be back with you again tomorrow or not. I'm here for whatever Dave needs me to help with, even though I'm on vacation. So, hey, have a great day. Have a great week. Remember, this is the last full week of August. Hard to believe. We'll be heading into September a week from today. Have a great day. I look forward to speaking to you guys real soon. Bye now.